In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an online course website with WordPress. Coming up. Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mac, and in today's video, I want to talk about how I've set up and configured my online course website, which is running on WordPress. So let's take a look and see what sort of plugins I'm using and how it's all working together. Now, I've already updated it because I've just added a few plugins which I wasn't using before, and that is Buddy Boss, and this has made a massive change to my website. So I'll be pretty much discussing how I've set it up on my website. But before I begin, I'd also like to remind you that all the tools that I'll be using or that I'll be talking about are all in the video description below, and most of them come with bonuses anyway. So for example, if you buy Divi, you get my web design course. If you buy LearnDash, you get my LearnDash Mastery course. If you buy CartFlows, you also get the Sales Funnel Mastery course. So all you have to do is to send me the receipts and I'll give you access to these courses. All right, so first things first, the very first thing that I have on my website is, of course, WordPress. And then on top of that, I've installed my Buddy Boss platform. Now, you may be asking, why do you need the platform? Well, the reason is the platform is very, very important because this is what gives the style and also the features that I need to make my website look awesome. And these features are having a forum, social groups, feeds, and also the ability to have your Zoom calls into the actual groups. So this is very, very powerful, and this will make your website look amazing. So if you want to build an online course website, definitely you want to go with Buddy Boss. And like I said, the links to all of this is in the video description below. Now, this may look like it's a bit of overkill. Yes, I agree. For some of you that just want to do maybe one website, you may just be getting away with just a few of these services. But mine is a bit overboard. But this is the bigger vision that I have for this website. So anyway, next, after the Buddy Boss platform, by the way, it comes with the theme and it also comes with the platform itself. So the theme is pretty much what gives you the structure of the website because it also comes with a child theme. Okay, so moving on, I also have Divi running on my website. Now, Divi is very important because outside the normal pages or the common pages that you get with the Buddy Boss platform, you are going to need to create your own pages using a page builder because the Buddy Boss theme is not a page builder. So I really want to make that clear. The Buddy Boss theme is not a page builder. So all it does, it just gives you the structure. But in order for you to design your pages, your landing pages, your checkout pages, and so on, you're going to need a page builder. And in my case, I would go with the Divi page builder, but it needs to be installed in as a plugin. I've done a video, which I'll link to in the video description as well, which shows you how to set up the Buddy Boss platform and also the Divi Builder plugin. Okay, so moving on, when it comes to the payment gateway, now there are several ways you could do this. You could use Thrivecart, you could use Stripe, you could use PayPal on its own. But the way, or there's a way I've set up my website is to have CartFlows and WooCommerce. Now, WooCommerce is free and CartFlows is paid. Now, the reason why I love CartFlows is I can do upsells and downsells, and I can create beautiful checkout pages using my page builder, which in this case is Divi. So it is very, very important that you have the ability to have your upsells, downsells, and so on, and be able to design them. And CartFlows and WooCommerce does a fantastic job of that. And by the way, just so you know, these two work together, okay? These two work together. But of course, if you just want to sell one course on your website, you can just take away CartFlows and just have WooCommerce to be your payment gateway, or you can just go directly to Stripe, and Stripe becomes just your one-way system to just make a payment and give access to the course. Now, talking about access to the courses, LearnDash does have a way of, in fact, I haven't spoken about LearnDash, have I? So after the payment gateway, this is where LearnDash comes in, and LearnDash is pretty much the plugin that puts together your courses and your lessons and makes it look very, very nice and easy to follow and all that good stuff. So it just structures your courses, your lessons, your quizzes, and all that good stuff. So that's where LearnDash comes in. Now, LearnDash also has built-in features where you can sell your courses just using the basic features that LearnDash has. It has a Stripe, PayPal integration, and so on. And recently they've introduced the memberships option, which means you can sell your courses to specific memberships. I had a look at it. It's not as good as a fully fledged membership plugin. And this now takes us to Wishlist Member. Now, Wishlist Member is really, really powerful. The integrations are amazing, and also it protects all your courses. It protects your pages. It does page redirect. To be honest, I could spend 30 minutes just talking about Wishlist Member, but it is really, really good, and that's why I've introduced it and added onto my system and my stack of what I use for my online course website. So when you look at this, you might be thinking, well, everything here is working on my website, and that's true. But ideally, you want to have a database where you keep all your students that sign up for your courses. And this is where I use ConvertKit. Now, ConvertKit is a totally standalone program, and my website is going to be standalone, of course. Now, I've also added WP Fusion to the mix. So you may be thinking, why WP Fusion? Now, what WP Fusion does is it just marries these two, my website and ConvertKit. So it's a tag-based system. So whatever happens here on ConvertKit gets updated to my website, and whatever happens on my website, it gets pushed over to ConvertKit. Now, why is this important? Well, let's say someone signs up for my VIP membership and they decide to cancel. How does my website know that the person has canceled, and how does it continue to give access to my website? So what happens is on ConvertKit, I have tags specifically assigned when someone cancels their membership. So when they cancel their membership, it automatically notifies my website. So then that user does not get access to the VIP membership. So these two are communicating with each other. I mean, there's a lot of tech going behind the scenes there, and maybe I'm not doing a very good job of describing what WP Fusion does, but on the outset, it doesn't look like it's doing much, but it is really, really powerful. And by the way, it can also be used as a standalone membership, but I prefer having more control with Wishlist Member. So pretty much this is how everything is working like on my website. It does really look very complicated, but I am going to be doing a complete course where I talk about this current setup, because my other course, the LearnDash Mastery, does not go into a lot of depth as to how to set up everything that you see here on this screen. So this is how I've set it up. It's really, really powerful. It's doing a lot for me, and I really like the way everything integrates together. I know it looks scary, as I mentioned, but I will be talking about this in great depth. So this is my stack, and this is how I'm using it currently. Let me know what you guys think, and you can also let me know how you are using, or what plugins you're using for your stack, in the video description below. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.